What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. So today, Heroes Battlegrounds just updated out of the blue. We got new Jet Engine ult moves and some new finishers for some of the moves of Jet Engine. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, we got new finishers for Soundbreaker. Okay, that's clean. That's actually pretty nice. Now we got a new finisher for Jetstream.
Yo, silence!
Yo, I'm recording! Alright, Jetstream. Finisher. Clean, boy. Alright, got my ult. Let's pop my ult. Let's see. Let's go. Alright. New move. Mach 5. Let's see it. I don't... Wait, what? Use again? Hold on. Alright, Mach 5. You have to use it again, bro. What even... Oh! Okay, that's fire. And we got turbo release. I just missed. Okay. Now we got the finisher. Alright, now we got the finisher for turbo release. And I just missed again. That's so crazy. And I just missed again. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yo, that's fire. That was like... That was crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, let's get into some combat.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Oh. Oh, you're right in front of me. Wait, is there new emotes?
Maybe.
There is, I don't care for them.
Alright, bro.
Yeah!
Where'd you go?
Yeah! Oh, over here. Wait, what? No,
I forgot how to use these moves, bro. Are you in ult?
No. He's beating me up in ult. I'm
You're
supposed to
in
be
ult?
winning. I'm supposed to be winning. How's this possible? He's cheesing me in ult. Nah!
Yo, why are you in ult, bro?
Yeah!
Where's your cooldowns?
No cooldowns, baby!
You're
I
cheesing
just got
me.
it like that.
Are you serious,
cheesing?
bro? You're cheesing.
Oh!
You have no cooldown to hit your
Yeah!
ult, bro.
Yeah! Speed me!
How is that?
Bro.
Let's go, bro.
Be a friend.
Well, maybe. And you still have these
Oh
dashes
my
on.
god! Yeah!
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Yeah, you're funny.
Speed
You're funny.
skirt!
Yeah, you're funny.
Speed skirt! What? Ah, back out! The hell was that? No, 1, 2, 3. Ooh!
It's actually isn't fair. I'm gonna get pissed off.
Yeah. No! I'm running.
Running from what? You're in ult, bro.
That's not fair though. That's not fair though.
What are you talking
That's not fair,
about?
though. It's not fair though. How you just do that though?
Do what? I didn't do
How did you
anything.
get out of that though? This guy's a loser for real. Oh, yeah. Ah. Let's go around the world, baby. Let's go around the world. Jesus. Watch out. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I'll get out of ult now. I just wanted to.
Yeah, put me in ult and let's see what happens. Let's go, bro.
Yo.
Oh yeah. What the
No.
heck? You're still in ult, bro.
It's going down, dude. It has to go down.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You're in ult and I'm cooking you. Nice try, bro. Of course, of course, of course.
What do you mean? That's not what I wanted.
Get out of here.
No.
No.
What?
Get out of here.
A man
Oh, yeah.
grab. A man grab.
Look.
A man grab.
Boom shakalaka. Running back there. Boom. Impact frame.
That thing really gives you like that infinite.
You can't even talk, bro. You're
No, I beat that. I jumped on you. I can't move mouse. Can't move mouse. Can't move mouse. Can't move mouse. I cannot. What are you guys doing? That's so dumb.
they need to rework the wall animations.
Yeah, exactly. Not even that. If I block on that, what? Okay.
They need to rework that. It's kind of buns. No.
Bro. 1, 2, 3. Why did I do that? Why did I do that?
Come here.
No. So how you doing, weakest dummy? Oh.
That's the weakest enemy's arch nemesis. Oh. No, I really just. Oh my god.
Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh no.
Oh, I forgot that's not a grab move. I keep thinking that's a grab move, but it's not a grab move.
Why did I do that? It is a grab move. Think about it like that. What the hell? What was that?
Nah, oh!
Yeah. What the hell?
Let's go.
That's not even supposed to. That's not literally supposed to.
Let's go.
I was stuck in that.
Oh yeah. Up.
1,
No.
2, 3.
No. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
What? It's so dumb. Oh. I mean, you could do that.
No. No.
Oh my god! Where my glasses go? I lost them, John. I lost my glasses. I can't fight. I'm a blind man. Where are my glasses at?
Oh, I gotta take this advantage. I gotta take this advantage.
Where are my glasses?
Come here. Ah! Let's go. He's looking for his glasses.
I'm attacking a blind man, and I'm not even playing right now. What is this? The first one.
Let's go. Blind man is about to die. Trick shot. Are you serious? Or you're weird.
What do you mean?
Watch this trick shot. You see that trick shot?
I would not see that trick shot.
Look at this trick shot. Ready?
But you know I can take you out of that, right? Like, what if I do this? And then it was like
You can't catch me. You can't catch me. You can't catch me.
What does this do? Join me.
I can't. Oh, it's Ginyu Force.
Oh, that's Ginyu Force? Well.
Oh my god, that has an aerial too. I forgot. Oh yeah. Bop. No, please, I can't get up.
Oh, what the hell?
Stop!
What are you doing? Why are you running? No way. Not fun.
Not even running, bro.
1, 2, 3.
I actually hate this game, bro. I actually hate this game. I can't even get up. I can't even get up. What the hell is this,
Would
bro?
you let me do it? Would you let me do it to you?
No.
Would you let me do it to you?
No.
Well, why won't you let me do it to you?
Are you Are you serious? You're so weird.
I want to do it. Let's go. You're such a butt.
You wait just to do that, bro. You're weird.
I'm clip farming.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, of course, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.